Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in today. You are in for a treat. If you are returning, welcome back, of course, and thank you so much for your support. I cannot tell you what it means to me. The home tour so that you can see all of my Christmas decor. I am so excited to get this video out to you guys. It is long awaited, I know. I hope that you enjoyed the 2 vlogs as well as the Christmas tree decorate with me. I had so much fun filming those for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have not, I will have those in the description box below. Feel free to check those out. With my fall home decor tour, I decided to tell you guys everything, where I got everything and all of that stuff. Video ended up being very, very long. So in this video, I'm actually not going to tell you where I got everything. I do answer all of my comments. So if you have a question on where I got something, please don't be shy. Feel free to ask me. All right, guys, so let's jump into this home tour.
To go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Home tour, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like I previously stated, if you have any questions about where I got anything, please don't be shy. Feel free to leave those in the comments and I will answer you. I'm so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I do have a list of things that I am going to try to do. But if there's anything in particular that you have not seen on my channel or that you want to see more of, or a video in particular that you want to see, please leave that in the comments below. That would really help me out and I will add that to my list. I hope that you guys enjoyed this home tour. Don't forget the reason for all of the seasons, which is Jesus. It is all about him. You don't have to wait till Thanksgiving or Christmas to thank thank him, you should be thanking him every single morning for just waking you up and giving you breath and life. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I want to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.